What kind of cow?
A chocolate milk cow.
But why a chocolate milk cow?
Because if we run out of chocolate milk, then we can milk the cow. It will give us more chocolate milk.
But where do you want him to sleep? We don't have any room for the cow.
We could sleep right here on the floor.
In the living room?
Yeah.
I don't know, Nick. You know, cows poop, right?
Yeah, but we could get him outside.
And they eat a lot. The cow's going to want to eat everything.
Even vacuums?
Yeah.
And phones?
Yeah.
I bet he can't eat any dog food. Any dog treats.
What other animal?
A cat.
We have a cat.
Oh.